Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset the Dolby Atmos sound EQ on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So if you made some changes to the EQ and you want to reset it to be completely flat, then we need to go of course to the settings, sound and vibration, then scroll all the way down and go to Dolby Atmos. There we go. And over here in the bottom left corner we have this gear icon, and here of course we have some categories like movie, music, and so on and so forth. So for instance, if you made some changes to music, let's say over here we have the bass boost, you can simply press flat in order to reset it. However, if you use for instance custom, and if you make some changes over here, let's say move those sliders just a little bit like so, then you switch to something else and go back to manual, you will see that your preset is still there, and in order to reset it we need to press these three dots in the top right corner and press reset, and then confirm that you want to reset the preset. And there we go, now it is completely flat once again and you can start all over again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.